You probably think you are tired just because you are not resting enough. But the truth, there are 5 silent energy killers draining you every day. And once you fix them, your energy can shoot up, making you feel 10x more productive. In this video, I'll break down what exactly those 5 are and how you can fix them. Pain point number 1 that's keeping you tired: low quality sleep. You think you are sleeping enough, 7 or 8 hours, but still you woke up tired. That's not because of the hours, but because your sleep quality sucks. See, our body has 2 main jobs during sleep. Deep sleep repairs our body, REM sleep resets our brain. If your nights are full of screen time, late caffeines, or random bedtimes, you are cutting both short. The result? You wake up feeling like you haven't slept at all. For a very long time, I felt same. I thought I just needed more sleep, but even after 9 hours, I woke up feeling drained, unable to focus. Until I realized my sleep wasn't deep enough. The quickest fix is go to your bed and wake up at the same time every day and cut your screens an hour before your sleep. Do just that and your mornings will feel completely different. Pain point number 2 that's keeping you tired: coffee crash. Most people think that coffee is the magic answer for their low energy. I used to think the same. Wake up, drink a big cup, but by the afternoon I felt even more tired than before. The reason is simple. There is a small sleep signal in our mind called adenosine. Coffee hides that signal for a while, but after the coffee wears off, all the sleep signal comes at once, and that's when you crash. For years, I thought more coffee is the answer, but even after drinking a lot of coffee, I felt exhausted. The fix is simple. Wait for 90 minutes before having your first cup of coffee. Let your body wakes up naturally. That's when coffee helps instead of crashing you. Pain point number 3 that's keeping you tired: hidden dehydration. You probably think that you drink enough water every day, but most people don't. And even a little bit of dehydration can make you feel tired and foggy without even noticing why. The reason is our body is mostly water. If you lose even a tiny bit, like 1 or 2%, your brain doesn't work as well. That means less focus, worse mood, and lower energy. I used to think if I'll fix my sleep and caffeine, I'll feel energized. But when I started tracking my water intake, my mornings feel way more clearer and I felt energized. You can follow the easiest system that I made to make sure that I drink enough water. Just drink a bottle of water after waking up, after breakfast, 1 after lunch, and 1 after dinner. In this way, you'll be able to drink 4 liters of water. That would be more than enough to keep you hydrated. Pain point number 4 that's keeping you tired: sitting too much. The average person nowadays sits for over 9 hours a day, and it's quietly draining your energy, even if you don't notice it. See, what happens when you sit for too long? Your blood flow slows down. That means less oxygen and nutrients reaching to your muscles and brain, making you feel more sluggish and foggy. Even if you work out, I used to think going to the gym was enough. But when I sit for too long at my desk, I feel drained and unfocused. The quickest fix is every hour stand and move for a couple of minutes. Stretch, walk, or even better go talk to a colleague. This will improve your focus, boost your energy, and improves your relationship at the same time. Pain point number 5 that's keeping you tired: stress and mental fatigue. Study shows that 70% of adults feel stress every day, and it is one of the biggest reasons you feel tired. When you're stressed, your body creates more cortisol, the stress hormone. More cortisol for long duration messes with your energy, health, and digestion. And mental stress like multitasking or overthinking can left you as tired as you have ran a marathon. For a very long time, I thought working for more hours or doing endless tasks will make me get ahead, but instead I felt drained. The quick fix is take short break to reset your mind. Go for a quick walk, practice deep breathing, or go outside in the sunlight. This small habit will help you recharge your mind and you can start fresh. Those are the 5 silent energy killers draining you every day. You don't need to fix them all at once. Start small and take action, because taking action is what matters to get you out of the rat race.